In recent years, we have seen that there is a rise in IoT platforms. In the value chain session, we also saw how the maximum value is being taken by the players who are providing the IoT platforms. Let us try to see what do we mean by an IoT platform and why there is a rise. In very simple terms, IoT platform is combining some of the basic essential functionality of the SMAC stack. We have devices who are generating data. Through the controllers and through the gateways, they want to reach the cloud. There are certain tech companies who have understood the gap. They have created IoT platforms that starts with the cloud. So all the data that is generated by the sensors through the controllers and the gateway is taken into the cloud system. And there is an in-house analytics system that processes the data in some ways to create APIs. Now these APIs are then being used to create applications. So most IoT platforms provide some way of storage on the cloud as well as some rules to convert the stored data into insights, but not direct insights, but by providing APIs. Different IoT platforms vary in the maturity of storage as well as conversion of the storage into APIs. Some IoT platforms are very strong on the storage, but not so much on providing the APIs, whereas some IoT platforms are not as strong on storage, as powerful they are on providing APIs for application. Whichever area may be weak when it comes to IoT platform needs to be augmented from outside. Thus, IoT platforms on one end take the data and on another end provide APIs that can be converted into applications. The most popular and widely used IoT platforms all come from tech companies or companies that are heavily invested into technology. GE Predicts, Cisco Jasper, Amazon, IBM Watson, PTC ThinkWorks, Samsung SmartThings are all examples of IoT platforms that are doing very well. Thus, the IoT platform space is heavily dominated by the high-end tech companies.